Today let's go over a filler stitch called a whip satin stitch. This is a pretty unique one and it's really simple. I think you're going to love the ending. So we're just going to begin with a normal satin stitch. I'm going to come at an angle on this rectangle though, and I'm going to fill in the entire shape of the rectangle using my satin stitching at the same angle. So I'll go ahead and do that first and then I'll meet you at the next step. I forgot to mention, but for this entire thing I'm using the size 22 chenille needle with 6 strands of embroidery thread. So now I've got a second color and I'm coming in going the opposite angle from my previous stitching, and I'm just laying straight stitches across the entirety of the rectangle, and I'll just do that again until the entire shape is filled with these straight stitches, all going in the same direction. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you.